Introducing to you first, making his way to the blue corner, Dylan Briddon. Corner, Archie Dale. Blue corner, Dylan Briddon. In the red corner, Archie Dale. This bout is over 3 one-minute rounds of boxing.
Both fighters come in looking very confident, I must say. Archie versus Dylan. There we go. Exchanging jabs, both in the middle of the ring. Bit wild from Dylan, but landing good combination in the corner. Good jab, extremes jabs. Archie on the front foot. Landing some good shots again to the body. Ref gets stuck in. Archie on the front foot back. Dylan pushes him back with a jab. Ref trying to get used to being in, I suppose. Archie, oh, Dylan had some good shots on the ropes. Decent first round, I'd say. Archie might have took that one just from the first couple of flurries right at the start of the round. But Dylan started to come back to it in right at the end of the round, landing a good combination on the ropes. Round two. Archie back on the front foot straight away. And a good shot, good right hand. And again, good body shot by Archie. Dylan landed some decent shots on the back foot, to be fair. Good jab by Dylan, and a good left hook. Archie back on the front foot. Dylan looks comfortable on the back foot, to be fair. Good shots. Good shots by Archie. Backs off. Good jab by Archie. Good left hook by Dylan. Dylan on the front foot now. See if we can get a good end to the second round. Archie straight back on the front foot. And a good jab and a right hand. Good body shots. Bit wild, but they're landing. And again, good shots. Good counter shots by Dylan. Dylan on the front foot now. Flicking the jab out, trying to get the range. Nice right hand by Dylan. Good jab by Archie. Archie on the front back foot. Archie back on the front foot. It's good, looking good. Both trading jabs. Archie looks a bit tired in there. Bouncing on his feet, trying to get his momentum back. But Dylan's back on the front foot. Dylan's looking to get on the front foot, but Archie's trying to move around the ring.
What a fight that was, ladies and gentlemen. But we do have a winner after 3 rounds. By unanimous decision, in the red corner, Archie Dale.
Archie. All the judges scored it the same. So, good performance by Archie. Well deserved, to be fair. Looked good in the first and second round, but kind of faded away in the third, but it looked good. It's a great first fight to start this card. Good scrap between two young lads.